Okay, this is Paris, Las Vegas. Let's check it out. Room number 6408 in the Versailles Tower. Okay, so the Versailles Tower is the furthest away, facing towards the horseshoe. Okay, so you come in, you got a closet to your left, come in, and what you immediately notice, is the size. There's so much room in this room. You could fit 40 people in this room easy. Look at the space. Look at the size, man. It is just wild, okay? So we'll come around. We'll check out the bathroom first. This is the bathroom, right? Come in. Bathroom, get the sink, shower, toilet. Come over here. You got the shower, okay? You got the wash. Okay, and then you come over here, back out, closet. Okay, look at that spot. You can put stuff there. Holy cow, look at that. Tons of space over there. You come over here, you got the TV, you got the refrigerator right here. There's the fridge, mini fridge in the room. Then you got closet, you got space, you got the, there's your safe in the bottom drawer, okay? Okay, then you got snacks, don't touch that, they'll charge you. Good little desk area, work zone. Okay, there you go. And you got a little couch here. You can see I got the sphere in the background. And the link right there, not a bad view. You could hear the engines going. It's F1 race going on right now. So that's the F1 race. So there you go. I mean, so much room. Look at this. Look at this. Look how much room. I mean, there's 6 feet between the couch and the bed. I mean, this is insane. I'm gonna come all the way back into the corner here so you get a better view how big the rooms are at Paris. I mean, they are absolutely huge. They're double the size of Harrah's. Easy, easy. I mean, look at that. Look at the distance. Look at this. I mean, it is just out of control. I love it. I mean, if you want space, I mean, that's that. But then come over here. I mean, look at the space between the bed and the wall. Another 6 feet. I mean, you could fit 20 bags of luggage right there. You could put a single bed in there. I mean, it is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I highly recommend Paris in Las Vegas. It's a really nice room. If you want space to move around, you need extra room, you got to go to Paris. You're going to love it. It's not going to disappoint you. Okay. The window, I was able to open the window a little bit so I get a little bit of air. You can hear the air. That's not a guarantee, but that's nice to have. I really like that feature. I like to get the fresh air. I don't like all of the casino air coming at me. So what do we got there? Oh yeah, there's Caesars. Okay, so the view here on this side is from, there's Old Red. That's owned by Blake Shelton. He owns that. And then there's Caesars, Dre's, and you come across to Horseshoe and to the Sphere a little bit. There's the Sphere. Okay, so that is all.